Hi, it's Mark here. I want to introduce you to the new trading tool on our platform. It's called the AI Signal tool, and as the name suggests, it's a tool using AI for your trading. The tool uses technical analysis to identify new trading opportunities when certain criteria is met. The technical analysis is based on new trends resulting from reversals, support and resistance levels being broken, or the levels not being broken and prices rebounding, Fibonacci levels, all tried and tested trend following strategies. I think generally fair to say that we have an idea, we understand how, and we know how these signals develop, but how do you know when they're going to be triggered? We can't watch every instrument 24 hours a day. That's where the AI allows you, rather your account, to act exactly when the signal is generated. The tool opens the trade for you. You don't have to decide when, you don't look for the signal. The AI tool recognizes the signal and opens the trade, be it a buy or sell trade. And here's how it works. I'm clicking on my trade, opening the tool. Here is the list of instruments we can trade. I'm looking what I want to trade. Let's go with Bitcoin. I'm clicking on the trade button. What I've done is initiated the AI tool to open a new trade when the criteria using that technical analysis recognizes the opportunity and the trade will be opened. On the right side in the trade box, here I'm going to populate 5 fields as I would on every trade. Firstly, position size. And then this here, which is unique to the tool, is the duration or expiry date. How long do you want the AI to act on every new signal? You can put in a date, time that you want, or you can leave it open and do it at a later time. Then I'm entering my take profit, percentage or dollar amount. Go with dollar amount. $2,000 is my take profit, and my stop loss is at 1,000, confirming. And there it's now been activated, waiting for a signal to be generated. There's no set amount of instruments that you can activate. Let's do one more. That's my crypto, forex US dollar Canadian. I'm clicking on the trade button. I'm putting in my position size, 100,000. Again, I'll leave the duration field open. My take profit, put in the dollar amount, $1,000, and I'll put in my stop loss, 500, sticking to my 2-to-1 win-loss ratio, confirming the trade, and it's now been activated. So I've got 2 trades waiting to be initiated. In the crypto, I've got my Bitcoin, and in Forex, I've got my US dollar Canadian. I can see targets, profit potential, downside risk. You're now trading in a disciplined, structured way, managing your money without having to look for the signal. That's been done for you. Lastly, the feed button here. If you click on this tab, you can see the previous signals that have been generated. Get a feel and become comfortable with the technical analysis principles that AI is utilizing to generate these signals. Example, let's say AI, USA 500, there in graphic form. You can see here a summary of what generated the signal, the expected duration to reach the target. There it is as well. So remember, trading confidently and understanding your trading strategy is essential. Get comfortable with the tool. Also, in closing, so once the trade is opened, you manage it the same way as if you had opened the trade. But what you're not doing is you're not waiting for a signal. You're not perhaps getting in late, just after the signal, or getting in early, anticipating or waiting. You're getting in at the right time from a technical perspective. It's a great tool. Good trading. Keep that discipline.